Assalamu alaikum, dear Hakimat, President, Hakimat, Kazakh friends and Kazakh people. I am sending you the video to apologize on two different points. First point, to apologize for the photo because I took it as a photo with colleague. I didn't mention anything bad. We did not mean anything bad. We are just colleagues at work. Second point, to apologize from all Kazakh people. I've been living and working between you for 2 years, and I was pleasure to work in Kazakhstan, and I didn't want anything to reach such point. You are great people. Please accept my apologize. Please accept everything from my end. Thank you.